The topic of the growing need for digitalization in manufacturing has been around for almost a decade now. But after all those years, where are we at now? Where are we now with the digital transformation?
Hi guys, I'm Kate. I hate wasting time or money. And as far as I know, I'm not the only one. Thanks to digitalization, I have plenty of time for myself. And I really need to go now. See you in a bit.
Yeah, that's Kate. Well, let's move on. In this new series of videos, we're going to go through the main digital manufacturing technologies and try to give you guidance on how to use them, how to benefit from them, and how to generate the highest ROI.
Yeah, and the highest. OTC, BTC, Just kidding. These don't exist. The point is, don't worry if you miss something from his speech. I'm here to smooth it out for you.
Mitsubishi Electric is a supplier of automation products, but we also have our own manufacturing sites. With our e-factory concept, we started value data and IT technologies as early as 2003. Since then, we have developed quite a good understanding of how digital manufacturing might improve our production sites.
And you know how? By using less energy. Think about it. What has been bothering you the most lately? Bingo. Energy costs. And energy waste is bad, not only for your own pocket, but also for the nature.
Okay, let's not disturb her. We have focused on reducing energy use, and we can proudly report up to a 96% reduction of power consumption, 70% of productivity improvement, and 30% of cost reduction.
And it's all at your fingertips.
Exactly. Thank you for being with us. Stay tuned for the next episode. In this new series of videos, we're going to go through the main digital manufacturing technologies and try to give you guidance on how to use them.
Thanks to digitalization, I have plenty of time for myself.
We have developed quite a good understanding of how digital manufacturing might improve our production sites.
And it's all at your fingertips.
Eliminating operational inefficiencies is one of the key goals for modern organizations. Most of them deal with two worlds. There is the automation world composed of machines, electromechanical devices, manufacturing systems, and other industrial equipment. Then there is an IT world, using servers, data storage, networking, and other devices, which are used to run applications and to process data. These two worlds have largely occupied separate domains, shared little meaningful data or control, and relied on oversight from business staff with distinctly different skill sets.
So, what's the topic for today?
Today, the world of IT and OT are converging. Advances in technology such as the Internet of Things and big data analytics are systematically allowing the IT world to see, understand, and influence the operational world. When implemented properly, IT-OT convergence can merge business processes, insights, and controls into a single uniform environment.
So, I know it sounds complicated, but basically, it's all about blending. So we have IT, which are digital things, like servers, networking, and databases. On the other hand, we have OT. This is classic industrial world, mainly manufacturing systems and machines. These two were always separated by a visible line. But now we've actually reached a moment when they finally started to converge, which means mix. And that blend has turned out to be a real killer in eliminating operational inefficiencies. Cheers!
With modern automation equipment, you can connect any type of machine to an IT system, starting with small and simple up to really complex ones in any configuration imaginable. This creates tremendous opportunities, at the same time reducing the complexity of networking.
All in all, when we try to look into the future, we don't see the traditional pyramid of connections anymore. We see a mesh of intelligent devices talking to each other. And mostly, this is what the IT-OT convergence is all about.
Today, the world of IT and OT are converging.
And that blend has turned out to be a real killer in eliminating operational inefficiencies.
IT-OT convergence can merge business processes, insights, and controls into a single uniform environment. The term Internet of Things was first used in 1999 as a concept of a closed loop of machines communicating with each other. Later on, it evolved into a system of interrelated computing devices and mechanical or digital machines. In the IoT, virtually any device can be connected to a common network and automatically transfer data into it.
Actually, you don't need to remember all of this. The most important thing is that Internet of Things enables data transfer to the cloud without human interaction. This way, we can not only collect data about any activity on the factory floor, but also use it as a reminder for me to hurry up. Oh, sorry, I have to take it. Hi. Yes, I remember. And you? Oh, I'm never late. Don't you know that?
Take robots, for instance. In the past, robots were pretty expensive to maintain. Due to mechanical issues, slowdowns in production were quite frequent.
But today, robots are intelligent things in the new world of IoT. They monitor themselves and inform about potential issues. Which one?
Well, for me, black, but I'm not the one to be asked.
Yeah, I think you're right. But anyways, I need to update my collection of dresses. Remind me of buying a new dress and show me some suggestions later on.
Nowadays, robots can predict what will happen to them in the future, and they send this information to the cloud environment where it can be implemented.
In the near future, we can even end up in a scenario when the robot knows that its gear is about to break. And it can order a spare part in advance. And that's the real power of Internet of Things. Bye.
Internet of Things evolved into a system of interrelated computing devices and mechanical or digital machines.
The most important thing is that Internet of Things enables data transfer to the cloud without human interaction.
Data science is the key factor in achieving a competitive advantage in the modern world of manufacturing. In this episode, we'll explain what data science is all about. We'll go through the main steps of implementing this technology and show you how it can benefit your production processes. Now let's see what Kate is doing. I guess she is...
Yes, you've guessed it. I'm going out tonight. And since today we are discussing data science, I will show you some benefits of this technology on the way. Good evening, Bob. The goal of collecting data is to have every bit of information about your business process or someone you are meeting. Thanks to that, we can assemble a massive amount of data about every step and use it as an advantage in solving problems. But how do we do that? Let's find out. Off we go, Bob.
So first we take a look at the specific challenges in your production. We should focus on one thing at a time. Remember, it's not wrong to start small. Then, define a clear goal that you want to achieve. After that, we identify a team of experts from your organization who will provide invaluable insights. Only then can we start collecting data, and that leads us to the question, where can data science be easily implemented?
Yeah, I know. It can be pretty overwhelming. All this data, steps, analysis, processes, rain, and tremendous traffic. But don't worry if you feel lost. We have technology easy to implement with smallest steps possible. All you need to know are the benefits for your business. Typical areas that data science can improve are production. We identify factors that seriously affect your production speed or volume. Quality. We identify where quality problems arise and try to confirm areas of improvement. Asset maintenance. By getting insights into your equipment, we can identify issues more quickly and avoid unplanned downtime. Of course, there are plenty of other areas where data science can be applied. It depends on your needs.
Kate, please don't steal my part.
Sorry, I just wanted to try.
Okay, never mind. But what about the evening? I guess we're stuck in this traffic for good.
And that's what I'm talking about. Data science is pretty much everywhere. In this case, combined with artificial intelligence.
Nice. I didn't see that one coming. Speaking of which, data analysis is a field where AI technology can be easily implemented. Data science using AI can become very powerful and accurate in recognizing patterns and diagnosis of production process. Artificial intelligence is one of these technologies that can change the world of manufacturing by making it more agile, smarter, and most of all, less time-consuming. By the way, I wonder if Kate arrived on time.
Didn't I say that I'm never late?
Yeah, you mentioned that.
Thanks for the ride, Bob.
You're welcome, Kate. Anyway, since we're alone, thank you for today and see you soon in the next episode. Data science is the key factor in achieving a competitive advantage in the modern world of manufacturing.
The goal of collecting data is to have every bit of information about your business process or someone you are meeting.
Even if you have the right information, acting on it is a totally different story. It's actually one of the biggest challenges in manufacturing, and this is where edge computing steps in. This technology can link production-level devices with the cloud environment if necessary. But edge computing can act on the data itself, enabling us to improve response times and save bandwidth. And as far as I know, Kate didn't choose just a random restaurant for this episode.
Indeed. Nothing is really random in this series. Just take a look at that robot. Oh, and Roger.
Good luck, Kate.
Thanks, and see you in a bit.
Since Kate is busy having fun, I'll take this time to explain how edge computing actually works. Modern factories generate tremendous amounts of data every single second. Storing all that data in the cloud is expensive, and besides, sending it all to the cloud is also inconvenient. Edge computing acts as a middleman. It can filter data, transform it into information, and then send relevant pieces of it to the cloud.
Edge computing can significantly increase the speed of reactions. Thanks to that, when you see a bad signal from one of the machines, you can immediately react, rather than ask the cloud and waste valuable time. Do you need some help?
No, I'm fine. Ordered.
Nice. So, what do you think of this place?
Yeah, for me, this place is really interesting. And those sailing boats with the sushi are really cool.
Yeah, they are pretty awesome. And how about the robot?
To be honest, technology's not really my cup of tea. It just makes me feel kind of uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable? What do you mean by saying uncomfortable?
I don't know. Maybe I just don't get it. Oh, guess mine is coming.
And that's why we make these films, so you'll get it. Besides all the benefits that we've mentioned, edge computing also provides better security for your company. Storing data on the edge means that important and fragile pieces of information never leave your side. Now, please help me. It's getting a little bit awkward.
Yeah, I guess it's not a perfect match. In this type of situation, quick reactions are the key to success. In this case, edge computing has a significant advantage over cloud computing, but it doesn't mean that these two cannot operate as a team, in which edge computing is responsible for quick actions and cloud computing for developing knowledge, such as patterns of equipment behavior, that could be corrected in the future. Now, let's help Kate.
Oh, sorry, I have to take that.
You'll thank me later.
What? Why? Stay there, I'm on my way, all right? Sorry, I really have to go. I have an emergency.
What happened?
It's a long story. But don't worry about the check, I've already paid it. And I'll call you later, all right? Bye.
Will you?